We're gonna use the Dyson. Oh my god, I feel like such a rich bitch. Like, okay, slay. Let's normalize having fun on a Saturday night. Last night was like a lot. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I didn't really know what kind of a video I wanted to do today, but today is Saturday and we are gonna party. A lot going on today. I'm going on a date. And I'm also going bowling with all my friends later. So I thought maybe we could like get ready together. Right now it is like 3 o'clock and I have to go in the shower, do the whole shebang, shave, scrub, you know, exfoliate, all the damn thing. I do want to show you guys these two shampoo and conditioners that I bought literally yesterday, so I haven't tried it out, but I really want to try it out. My hair's like hella greasy. This is new by GRWM. It's the caffeine and biotin peptide density shampoo and conditioner. Look how pretty Barigio. Okay, girl. I'm gonna use this in the shower along with so many other products. I probably showed them to you guys before, but I'm quickly gonna head into the shower and do the like hot girl shower, you know? The ones you see on TikTok, you know? I'm gonna quickly do that and then we're gonna start getting ready. You guys, I borrowed the Dyson from my friend and we are gonna try and attempt to do like really beautiful hair. Show you guys what I'm wearing, all the fun stuff. My reservation is at 6. Which means we're going to leave here around 5:30 and so it's 3 o'clock, we gotta get ready. So let's jump into the shower. So I just got out of the shower and now we're going to actually like do our prepping and all of that. Well, that was part of prepping, like scrubbing your body. Also, if you guys are looking for a really good razor, I've mentioned this in one of my old videos, but the Dollar Shave Club, girl, it's so good, affordable, really good razor. So if you guys are looking for one, it looks more like a men's razor, but honestly those are better than girls razors anyways. So definitely go to like, I got mine at Walmart, but I don't know where else they sell them. Maybe Target if you're in the States, but at Walmart they sell the Dollar Shave Club. So good, like gets so close to the hands, it's so good. And now I'm just going to put like lotion myself up. I use this, I mentioned this before, because I need like a lotion that doesn't have a smell, because if I want to put perfume, I think it's like too much smells. This one is the lavender body lotion by Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Skin, whatever. So I'm just going to use this because I feel like this is the most like subtle smell, and I think that's it. And then I'm going to just put on my robe and we're gonna try and do my hair. Like I mentioned earlier, we're gonna use the Dyson. Oh my god, I feel like such a rich bitch. So we're gonna see if it like works good. And it works best when your hair is wet, so that's why I wanna do it next. I also have to do like my nails and stuff too, but we can do that after my hair. I feel like my hair feels like pretty good after that shampoo and conditioner. I can't really say if it like thickens my hair just yet, but cute. Okay, now for the moment we have all been waiting for. I have with me Miss Dyson. She's beauty, she's great, she's Miss United States. This is literally so beautiful, like even holding it is beautiful. So we can thank my girl, my bestie out there, who is going to let me borrow this because she is a whopping $750 that I do not have. So I am so excited to try this out. This is just the case, like this isn't even the damn thing. You're gonna open it if I can. Oh, and it has everything. Look at this beautiful red. You can get in like purple, I think there's like a pink one and like a bronzy one, blue one, and this is like red. I feel like this is like a bad bitch feminine color, you know? I've never tried this, but I've looked up tutorials, so we're going to figure it out today. I think I could brush my hair first and then like use all the tools, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is my hair brushed. Usually when it's more like dry, it's kind of a wavy to curly type like hair, I guess, just like a reference point. So I'm gonna put this away leave-in conditioner. We're gonna see if this looks good. People kind of put different sprays, like anything like heat protectant and stuff like that. I don't know if you need heat protectant with this. I feel like it's more of like a air type. Like, I don't know, I don't think it like heats your hair. I don't really know the science behind it, Google it yourself, but I'm gonna quickly just spray this in my hair. It smells really good and like expensive. I feel so like bad bitch. So this is it. First thing I want to do is blow dry it, so it comes with this little, okay, and this is like a blow dryer. So I'm gonna put it, it's like on the highest settings, and then I'm just gonna see what it sounds like. Oh. Okay, work bench. This is like kind of scary. So when you like turn it on, it's like a hot, and then at the top it's like a cool, but I think you have to hold it down to like be able to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. I think what I'm gonna do is probably just like mute it because it is kind of loud. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. Okay, so this is my hair like blow dried, kind of cute. I saw a girl who said if you use like one of these like brushes, oh shit, I should have figured out what brush you're talking about. Maybe it's this brush. She's like, if you use the brush, it will help with your hair like looking like frizzy. So let's do that. I didn't really think anything much about this. This is more of like, this made my hair super like straight. So if you like want that look, this is kind of neat. I really want to do, someone's calling me. I don't really think anything too much about this. Really didn't do anything that I like care about, but it did really straighten your hair, which is nice. So I just quickly grabbed like a bigger clip, and we're gonna do like half my head and then the other half, I think. Okay, so let's start and let's see how it goes. Check if it's like better on this side, maybe. I don't know. It's not doing anything. It's literally not doing anything.
You did it right?
It's $750 for nothing. No, I'm just kidding. Right. Am I dumb? I did it. Okay, I'm gonna see what I can do with the other one now, because Jesus Christ. I know this might sound insane, but baby, you're gonna love me again. Yeah, I paid my dues to show you I'm not the same. Okay, now that we are somewhat done the hair, I feel like I should hairspray it a bit, but kind of cute. Now that we're done this part, I want to do my bangs. I saw someone do it, and we're gonna try and figure it out. She used like this comb again, and then she kind of just like wisped it. She wisped, yeah, that's the word. She wisped it up, and it just like flew like curtain bangs. So we're gonna attempt to do that, and if we can't, then we're just gonna go back to the curler. So let's try and do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take all of my bangs on both sides. Okay, I'm gonna brush it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this, then hopefully, yeah, hopefully that looks like it's gonna work. So let's try that. It worked. I'm gonna do this side a little bit more because I like, look how nice that side looks, but we're gonna do this side too. Oh, we are done with the Dyson. That was an experience of a lifetime. What my hair's looking like. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's kind of difficult to do all like the curls and stuff, but I feel like I figured it out. Especially like if you have curtain bangs, I would invest in something like that. Like, look how nice. Next, we are going to do makeup because I think we're running a little out of time. No, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, we're not. Okay, so maybe I'll do my nails next, and then we'll do makeup, do the outfit, and then we'll head out. But I love my hair. Okay, you guys, I'm literally obsessed with this Dyson. I love my hair. Like, oh my god. This is not good because I'm gonna be in debt. Like, okay, slay. So next I'm going to do my nails. And of course you can go to a nail salon, probably best, but these are my like go-to nails, especially if I'm going out. This is by the brand Kiss. This is the medium length, but I think they sell it in like small, like the small length and the long length. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm gonna put this on. I'm not really gonna coordinate my nails to my outfit, but I do want like a more January color, like a little blue color. I'm obsessed with blue, you guys already know that. This is the before, and then I'll show you guys the after. They're really easy to glue on. You guys probably see me do it in another video. So I'm just going to quickly do this, and then we're going to do our makeup and all of that. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and start getting ready for tonight. Now I think I'm gonna use this blue. It's kind of like shimmery, but I think my mom uses this every single time she goes. Okay, damn. My mom uses this every time she goes to get a pedicure, so I don't even know how much is left in this, to be honest. Let's go get our nails. So these are my nails. They're like this, what's it called? Like a Hailey Bieber kind of, but they're like blue, kind of like spacey. They don't want to dry for shit, so I'm a little stressed out about that. It's 5 o'clock and we have to leave by 5:30, so we're trying to hurry things along a bit. I'll show you guys literally my makeup routine. Okay, so this is something that I just bought. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is really, really popular, and I kind of used it yesterday, and it's so good. I just have the mini because that's all they had like selling in stores, so I was like, okay, work. And I kind of only used like a little bit, but it's kind of like a moisturizer slash like a primer. I feel like if you have oily skin, like don't buy this. I don't know what they claim to be, if it's like for all skin types or what, but I feel like if you have oily skin, like don't use this. It's really, really nice and like hydrating on the face. So like love that. Next for my foundation, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. This one's so good. It's expensive, so obviously it's gotta be good. I use this beauty blender. This is from Real Techniques. I need a new one to say the least. Honestly, a little bit goes a long way, so I'm probably just gonna dab this all around my face. I feel like I finally like mastered my makeup routine. Like I really like all the products that I use. As you can see, like my face looks like I have no blemishes, and like I have really big pores, and this like completely makes them all disappear. This is by Kat Von D. I don't know what it's called now, but this is like her old brand, I guess. I know that looks super dark, but it just like works for me for some reason. I'm going to use this like beauty blender. It's by e.l.f. It works so incredibly good. All the next beauty products are by Charlotte Tilbury. We love her. I put it on like actually like my bone. I feel like it helps like make my cheekbones more deep. I don't know. These products are so good. If you guys are like debating whether you should buy this or not, you should buy it. I have it in the shade light medium. It kind of is weird that it only comes in 2 different shades, but I don't know. I'm hoping that the one that's for like medium to dark is actually like good for people who have darker skin. I do find that sometimes this can be a little bit too dark on me, but it just looked good. This is like the Peachgasm, or the Pinkgasm, but it's peach, so it's like called the Peachgasm. And this is like a little like blush. I kind of pack it on because I don't find that it's as like bright as the pink one, but I love like the orangey. I love like a more orangey blush, so that's why I wanted it. But it's so pretty, and honestly, like you don't even have to get like highlighter because it's so glowy from this. Like, oh my god. So that's kind of basically all the products I use for my face. I honestly haven't been even setting my face, which is kind of weird these days, but it's just what I've been loving. We'll do my eyebrows. So what I've been using is this by NYX. It's the Thickening Brow Mascara, and then I just use the Sephora Precise eyebrow brush. What I do first is I kind of like frame them to what I want them to look like. You know, brows are sisters, not twins. Sometimes I just gotta remember that, because one of the sisters really do be pissing me off. So now I'm just going to use this, put on top. It kind of like laminates the brows. Like it does a really good job. There we go. I don't know, I've just been really loving like the bush brow. Wow, those are a lot. I didn't realize how much they were like in your face. And then I'm going to use this little palette. This is by ColourPop. It comes with like little 4 shadows, and I really like to just take this really light one right here. See, like that, kind of just to make like my, like a little bronze effect. That looks like a lot though for some reason. Okay, and these are the mascaras I'm going to be using. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top, and then the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit on the bottom. I just feel like that's just the ratio I've been loving lately. And honestly, it makes it more like chunky, but like also more like lengthening. So I've been like really obsessed with this mascara. Bad Girl Bang by Benefit, and it's more of like a thin, you know, little brush. And I just do a little bit on the bottom like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go and quickly do it on the other side. My hair's gotten kind of like, oh, actually, no, I look really good, actually. So this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, like my waves kind of gone down. Next time I use a Dyson, I'm probably gonna put like more of like spray in it to make it look good. But if I'm being honest, like I feel like this just looks like a blowout and it looks really pretty. I'm going to change into my outfit. So I'm gonna do one of those like jump ones. Okay, ready? Okay, so I'm wearing these like ripped jeans and this like cute little top that's like a one shoulder. I feel like that is so cute. So I'm gonna grab my purse. We're gonna go. I need to put some lip gloss on. This is my favorite one. This is the Forget the Filler Lawless one. So good. I think it's in the flavor or shade, whether cherry vanilla. I'm probably gonna put this in my purse in case I need to reapply it later, but living. Also, this is the perfume I always wear. I totally forgot. This is by Valentino. Oh, I meant to spray it in the air. Oops, it's all on my hands. All you need is 1 spritz. There we go. I am ready to go for dinner.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
Hey girl, long time no see. I'm so sorry. The next day, it is Sunday night actually. As you can see, it's so dark out. I just took a shower, washed the weekend off of me, and I'm kind of just wearing like a little mask here, glowy. But I want to come in here and just kind of end the vlog because last night was like a lot. We were drinking, we were having fun, and I was a little hungover this morning, so I didn't really want to vlog in the morning. But now that I'm like freshly out of the shower, feeling good, feeling fresh. So last night was so fun, and I wanted to do like a Saturday in my life because I feel like so many people are like, let's be productive, let's do this, let's do that, but let's normalize having fun on a fucking Saturday night, okay? We need to have fun. We need to go out. We need to hang out with our friends. We need to go on dates. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys like this video, please like and comment down below what kind of videos you guys like to see, if it's more productive. I know a lot of people like productive vlogs, but I want to do like a fun Saturday in my life. So if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below something that you like to do on weekends, because I kind of want to be more like out and about on the weekends, and I want to have like more fun because that's what the weekends are for. I just look like an oily bitch, but I have a face mask on. Okay guys, if you guys aren't already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more content. I hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys had a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.